Hello everyone, welcome back to X Machines channel. Modern bending technology and heavy-duty bending machines are playing an increasingly important role in the construction of massive structures in the energy industry. In this video, we will take turns visiting the production plant of Bremen Machinery Company, Netherlands and Hydroelectric power plant project construction site to explore the amazing features of bending machines and the practical applications of bending products in hydroelectric construction. Right now we are in Bremen Machinery's 25 meters high workshops, where is crane capacity up to 320 tons and state-of-the-art range of machinery, located on a quay with open water. Bremen Machinery is a company based in Jena, Netherlands, specializing in fabrication and assembly of finished products and steel components. Bremen Machinery has spacious and fully equipped production facility to ensure that no job is too big for them. With a state-of-the-art range of machinery, including CNC-controlled machines for turning, milling and boring operations, and especially the very modern Hydroelectric 4-roll plate bending machine, Bremen Machinery can carry out all processing operations in-house. Let's follow in the footsteps of Bremen Machinery's highly qualified and experienced experts on the job which using Hydroelectric 4-roll plate bending machine. Plate bending machines, or also round bending machines, are used for bending sheet metal webs, and are divided into different types according to the number of rollers installed. The 4-roller round bending machine is one of the designs. The 4 rollers consist of an upper and lower roller and 2 side rollers. The sheet to be bent is clamped and guided with the help of the top and bottom rollers. Finally, the 2 adjustable side rollers exert the necessary bending force on the sheet. The way in which the rollers can be adjusted varies from design to design. The 4-roll round bending machine is ideally suited for bending tight radii.
Orası arkası otomatikle mi geliyor? Yok, ben çalışıyorum. Tamam. Ama bu yaptığım işlemlerin hepsini NC'ye kaydedip de bugün yaparken kaydedip hepsini kendisi yapabiliyor. Tamam. Bu. Nereye? Tamam. Ya.
The VRM 4-roll round bending machine makes bending processes efficient. This already starts with the alignment of the sheet at the outlet side roller. The sheet is automatically optimally aligned by the machine, which saves the use of lifting gear and auxiliary personnel. During the entire bending process, there is no idle movement of the workpiece due to the bending of both ends of the sheet in the same pass. The operation of the VRM 4-roll round bending machine is also very efficient. The complete bending process can be operated by just one person via a central, mobile control panel. All control elements are brought together there. In addition, the bending machine can be operated and controlled from both sides. The control panel does not have to be left for this purpose. The hydraulic system of the VRM sheet bending machine automatically regulates the speed compensation between the upper and lower rolls. This ensures that the 2 rollers always roll optimally on the sheet metal to be bent. At the same time, the pressure relief valves protect the machine from overload. Thus, the bottom roller lowers itself according to the sheet thickness even with double sheet entry. In addition, an automatic pressure compensation system for the bottom roller is installed in the VRM 4-roller round bending machine. This means that the same pressures always prevail at both ends of the cylinder to be rounded, and the cylinder diameter is thus the same at both ends, for an optimum result. Fabrication of turbines for installation in hydroelectric power plants is one of the applications of bending machines. We are following the truck to transport this turbine to the construction site of the Obervermundwerk 2 hydroelectric power station. The Obervermundwerk 2, OVW2, is a high-pressure pump storage power plant of the Illwerke of VKW AG at the Vermundsee in the Austrian state of Vorarlberg. It is part of the Ober-Ill-Lunersee power plant group and, located in the municipality of Gaschern, uses the difference in altitude from the Silvetta Reservoir, 2,030 meters above sea level, to the Vermont Reservoir at 1,743 meters above sea level to generate electrical energy. The power plant is underground at the Vermundsee and has a bottleneck output of 360 megawatts. This bending process used 4-roll plate bending machine from Haesler. The drive of the VRM 4-roll round bending machine by upper and lower rolls offers enormous advantages during the bending process. Even when bending the thinnest sheets, the workpiece is optimally transported. The sheet is securely clamped between the top and bottom rollers. There is no chance of the sheet slipping on the rollers. The fact that all 4 rollers are mounted on roller bearings means that there are no lubrication problems in the roller bearings. Therefore, no frictional power has to be dissipated in the form of heat, as is the case with plain bearings. So you don't need to worry about any friction that may occur. The fact that all 4 rollers are mounted on roller bearings means that there are no lubrication problems in the roller bearings. Therefore, no frictional power has to be dissipated in the form of heat, as is the case with plain bearings. So you don't need to worry about any friction that may occur. Quality and extreme precision always come first at Bremen Machinery. This also applies to their welding department, which has the most modern welding machines at its disposal. Their seasoned professionals work on complex projects as well as regular welding work. They specialize in all types of welding processes, including powder, saw, strip, single and multi-wire processes, hot wire TIG, cladding, and MIG/MAG. Back at the construction site of the Obervermundwerk 2 hydroelectric power plant, engineers are performing the welding of the pipes. After welding the large diameter pipes, they are transported to the installation area. Here the welders will continue to weld and connect the pipes together.
Jetzt gibt er richtig Feuer und fertig von hier. Ja. Weil er jetzt
Next we visit the construction site of power station Obersil Renewal. Here workers are dismantling the old pipeline and installing a new pressure pipeline. This new pressure pipeline is as part of the modernization of Innsbrucker Kommunalbetrieb AG Group or IKB. IKB is the expert for innovative energy supply and municipal services in Innsbruck and Tyrol. They have around 700 employees and offer customers tailor-made concepts for all questions relating to energy, internet and IT, water and sewage, waste and the Innsbruck swimming pools. IKB operates a total of 11 power plants in the greater Innsbruck area. This will generate around 320 million kilowatt of electricity. This corresponds to about half of the annual requirement of the state capital. With an output of 18,000 kilowatts, the Obersil power plant is one of IKB's largest plants. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please leave a comment to discuss this topic more deeply. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more useful videos from X Machines.